Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic afternoon, fantastic night, fantastic evening, morning, whatever time it is that you're watching this. Make sure if you're not a subscriber that you do subscribe. You don't want to miss any of these upcoming recipes that are coming to you guys, and make sure that you hit the notifications bell so you know when I post a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make one of my favorite chicken dishes, and that is the garlic parmesan wing. Without further ado, let's get started. So I'm just washing the chicken off, getting this cleaned off. Y'all know I love y'all because I still haven't gotten my nails done. Those are all cleaned off. I'm gonna pat these dry and then start to season them. Alright, so I'm putting the chicken onto a plate so that I can, they're kind of dried out a little bit. They're not that wet, but I'm going to dry them off so they're not, because I'm going to season the chicken instead of my flour, because this is going to be, they're going to be wet, so it doesn't matter. I'm just going to flour the, let's see how many there actually were right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I knew there were 11. I knew it. I just was just thinking that someone didn't package that package with 11. That they put 10 or 12 in there. But I was right. Alright. So I'm just going to pat these dry. See, they're not even that wet. The napkin's not that wet. Alright, so I think it's safe to move some out, season, put some back, season. I'm going to start with these ones right here. But before I start to season these, I'm going to go ahead and put the grease on. Because I'm not going to use my deep fryer because the grease needs to be changed. So I'm going to go ahead and put the grease in my wok and let that get hot. So I got the wok right here. There's nothing in here, but I'm going to put grease in. So, let me see how I can do this. I need to put this down since I'm recording myself. I don't have any help today. I need to put this on the stand and then get the grease. So, I'm going to do that. Alright. So, I still got the hand. I'm still using my hand to do this myself. So, I'm going to go ahead and pour some grease in to the wok. I was trying to make a cake tomorrow, so I need to save some oil, or I'm about to go to the store like I do every single day. I don't like going to the store every day. Sometimes I just want to get straight into filming, and then I don't have everything, so I have to go to the store. But back over to the wings here. So I'm going to season these with seasoning salt. I got some flour here, so because we're going to have some fried garlic parmesan wings. So I have the flour, and then I'm going to season this chicken, and I have it separated because I'm going to do these ones first, you know, get them seasoned up, and then I'm going to add these ones on top. I don't want it to be, I want to make sure I get everything, so I'm going to do it in layers. So there's only 11. I mean, someone, you know, felt the need to not put an even number in the package, so there's 11. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. So I'm seasoning the wings now. Let me hurry up for my camera die because my my plug-in battery doesn't fit everywhere in the kitchen, so I have to sometimes use the portable camera. The portable battery, and I don't want that to die. I forgot to charge it yesterday. So I'm using some seasoning salt, light wrist. You don't want to make your chicken salty. Turn these over. Well, first, you know what? When I'm recording, sometimes my mind is everywhere, and I don't do things I usually do because I have to make sure that you guys can follow what I'm doing. And usually I'm more like a freelance cook where I just go. I kind of know what to do without measurements and things. So now I gotta be careful to make sure I take the necessary time to measure what I'm doing so that you guys can recreate what I'm making, if that makes sense. And somebody in my comments called me out and they were like, "You're not going to tell us what you used? Erika, what are you doing? You're slacking." Because I like the fact that I can give you recipes that you can follow. This isn't even open. Here's one that's open. This is paprika. I always like to say that, paprika. Am I saying that right? It's paprika, 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 paprika. Well, you know what I mean, Roberta. Can't wait to eat these. And do the other sides of them. I like to season both sides. Onion powder. Onion powder, you can't really go wrong. There's no salt. I keep grabbing this one that's closed. Goodness gracious. I don't even remember where I was. That paprika kept getting me distracted. Alright. I think I have another paper plate over here. So I'm going to go ahead and move these ones here. And then put these ones on here that I did not do already. Get the odd number of chicken in the pack. Alright, so I'm going to season this with paprika. Same stuff we did before, same seasonings. Oh, that almost fell. Alright guys, so I just checked this grease and it's still not hot. I had turned the heat up a little bit because the chicken's basically almost done and we need this to be heated up. So I turned the fire up a little bit. It was on like a medium heat. I just turned it up just a little bit more. Alright, so while I'm waiting for the grease to heat up, I'm going to go ahead and just dip these in the flour and get them plated so that as soon as the grease is done, I can go ahead and put the chicken in. Okay, so they're all mixed together. I'm just going to go ahead and dip them, coat them in this flour. Just get them prepared and wet and ready and waiting. I mean, I would pull out my, what is it called? I forget what it's called. My cooling rack. To, you know, let these sit on there, but I don't have any room right now because there's a bunch of stuff on here. I'm sprinkling this flour everywhere on my phone. It's getting everywhere. So I'll put that there. See, that's how you get it ready, guys. Get it ready so you're not sitting here waiting for that. That grease is taking forever. I hear it kind of, you know, trying to cry now. Trying to, you know, show his face now, but it was taking a while. I just didn't want to sit in here. I could be doing something else in the meantime. You gotta learn how to multitask. See, it's now trying to come around. You hear it? Popping in the background. Chicken wings are cooking nicely. The grease really hot. Put those around. Oh. These would probably be done if they were in deep fryer, but the grease need change. I didn't have enough grease to do that today, so they're on the stove. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other wings in because there's some wings. Clean it up. There was enough from the fryer candy. Well, I probably could put like 2 more, but I don't want to overcrowd the pan. It's going to reduce the heat. It won't be as hot. So, overcrowd the pan. I'll just wait till they're going to put these other ones in. This is the outside part of the napkin because I don't want any rubbing chicken juice all over the counter. Yeah, somebody always gotta tell you something you're doing. I always gotta tell you something you're doing. You always know something. Somebody always gotta tell you what you need to do. So before you even say anything, you know I use the outer part of the napkin. I messed them up with this tongs. I took out a damn flour off here. Took out a flour off. And this is I'm cooking these in my wok. And this is the first time I actually made wings in a wok because I always use the deep fryer. But it's going pretty good. So I like my chicken extra crispy, extra fried. Alright, so I'm gonna let these cook. And in the meantime, we're gonna make the sauce, the garlic parmesan sauce. These wings are small because they're actually not really sure done. But this is a cup of butter. I'm going to go ahead and put it in here and melt down. Go ahead and add in a teaspoon of garlic. Okay, do this and hold this at the same time. That's it. A teaspoon, not a tablespoon, garlic. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in a Parmesan cheese, this grated Parmesan cheese. Get that stirred up into there. So stir that in. I'm still gonna need a little bit more butter because this is not enough. So I added in some more butter, and this is how I like my wings. I like them wet. I don't want them all, you know, dry. So I want that sauce to be dripping. I could dip it back in there if I want to. So this is how I like it right here. So the butter I added in was probably altogether maybe 3/4 cups of butter. That would be if it was softened. I mean, not melted yet. So everything is done. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to put these wings in a bowl and toss the sauce in them. Okay, so now I'm going to take the wings and I'm going to place them into the bowl. Okay, so I'm going to put the sauce in there now. That's going to pour the sauce over the wings. Just going to toss those with the tongs. Get them all wet. Get all your chicken wings all wet. So yeah, like some people like the dry sauce, but I like the wet sauce. Because I like to, you know, when I pull them apart, I want to go in for more of the sauce and make sure each piece is drenched in that garlic parmesan. Crispy garlic parmesan wings. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wings on the plate. Rolling them around in this sauce. Oh, didn't mean to do that. So here it is, guys, your garlic parmesan wings. You got some extra sauce, so you can go ahead and pour that over top if you want. This is it. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. And don't forget that notification bell, because that's the only way you'll know when I post a new video. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off. You know how I do. Leave me some comments, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.